Group yourselves. Group yourselves into four. Equal yun kasi group kayo. Sakto lang yun. Siyempre. Now, group yourselves into eight. Okay, ready? Ready? Group yourselves into. Group yourselves into. Oh my God! Di ba? Okay. Ready? Group yourselves into. Ready? Group. Group yourselves into one. Group yourselves into two. Okay. Group yourselves into group yourselves into five. Group yourselves into three. Ayan, ako. This is the final. Isa lang ang choice dito. Group yourselves into Ready? Okay na. 1, 2. Dito. 1, 2. Put yourselves into 2. Abang kayo naman ako.
Thank you, Tita. Yung pinapayaman mo sila sa lawa.